Today we're going to be looking at the Roborock S50 vacuum. This is the second generation. The vacuum comes with a charging dock, which also has a sensor built in so that the vacuum can find itself. This is the vacuum cleaner itself, which has a laser guided system on the top that maps out your house. On top of it, you see they have the power button, the return to dock button, and spot cleaning button. On the bottom, they have a bristle and rubber dual brush used to pick up dirt off of the carpet. They have wheels that will retract when it goes up and down a carpet or a ledge, such as a transition. Also on the front, they have a bumper so that it does not bump into your furniture and destroy it. It also comes with a washable filter, 2 mopping cloths, the mopping water reservoir, the plug for the dock, a manual, and the wet mop floor protector so that the water does not destroy your hardwood floors. Again, from a different view, you can see the mop cloths that are velcroed on. Velcro it off, slip it out, clean it. These are the spouts for the water to slowly drip onto the pads. It lasts about an hour worth of cleaning. Here's the reusable filter. It's washable. Also inside of the vacuum, they have the dustbin. And in the dustbin comes with a card that tells you how to clean it. Also, pinch to take out the dustbin, comes with another filter built in. Also comes with this handy brush so that you can brush out the filters, or if you want to use the hook part, that's for taking long hairs and such that get caught and tangled on the vacuum. Also to note about the vacuum has sensors around it right there, and on the bottom you can see the 2 cliff detector sensors, 2 side wall sensors, a rotating brush, the dock connectors, and the retractable wheels used to go up and down surfaces. And something to note between the first generation and the second generation is that everything seems to be reversed in 180 degrees. In this version, they have the wheels going back up into the vacuum on the rear, and in the first version, they had the wheels retracting up from the back, which would let it get caught on top of transitions or carpets. Also to take note, when it's charging on the dock, you'll see a illuminating light, which tells you that it's at least 50% charged. In the house, it is completely full of dog hair, and I'll just empty it and continue cleaning. Using the mopping attachment, you can also mop your floors with 1, 2, or even 3 passes. To install, simply slide underneath the vacuum until you hear a click, and that's when you know that the installment is ready. First, download the Mi Home app and hit Add Device, then hit Home Appliances, Roborock Vacuum, and wait for it to load. Once it loads, go to your vacuum and hit the spot cleaning button and dock button simultaneously until you see a continually flashing blue light on the Wi-Fi. Next, select your vacuum. Next, select the Roborock under the Wi-Fi in your iPhone settings, and then go back to the app. Wait for it to connect. Then select a room for your vacuum to be in. Then name your robot vacuum, hit done, and then hit let's get started. Make sure to select the United States server, and then update if any firmware updates are available. After a couple of cleanings, here it took 92 minutes to clean my whole entire house, and I left all the doors open to the closets so that it can get every square inch. You can see here it took 92 minutes to clean the whole house. After cleaning, it will go back to the charging dock and charge. At the end, you can also see how to care for your vacuum by seeing the filter life, side brush life, main brush life, and the sensors. Lastly, whenever it's done cleaning, it will show a notification on your phone saying the zone cleanup finished or the cleaning is finished and go back to the dock.